Hey, woo, hey superstars, hey superstars. You're all my superstars, baby. If you're watching this video, just know that you're my superstar, and I value you. Sawa. Anyway, guys, welcome to this amazing channel. This is Superstar Delicacies. If you don't know, if you don't know, by the way, inamaanisha you've not subscribed. Please, guys, if you've not subscribed to this amazing channel, mutoke mwende musubscribe, alafu tunawapatia just a few minutes, guys, and yeah. Okay, welcome back. Kusubscribe, guys, subscribe. Please subscribe and make sure you share my content to your friends so that they can also get to learn. Yeah, msikuwa mnaenjoy tu peke yenu. Anyway, guys, if you are returning subscriber, maybe I don't know what I can say to you, but you know what? Thank you so much. May God bless you and afungulie tu milango zenyu. Hata if you've not subscribed, guys, make sure you subscribe. Sawa. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the support. Nimechoka kurecord. Okay, thank you so much for the support, and I really appreciate you, and I don't want to take any one of you for granted. Anyway, without any further ado, guys, I want us to get to this video. Today we're gonna make chapati malenge, and if you've never tried that, make sure you follow this recipe. Pia at the end tuna reviewer pale, so make sure you go like you watch till the end ndio to get kujua chapati ili turn out kukuaje, ilikuwa ngumu, ilikuaje. So make sure you watch till the end. Sawa. So let's get straight to the video. What? All purpose flour, pumpkin, cooking oil, sugar, and some salt. Make sure that you blend your pumpkin to get a fine puree. So yeah. Look, let me pour so that you can see. Woo! Guys, I forgot to tell you, hii puree iko na salt na sugar. Yeah. Now it's time to get dirty and do the kneading. You know, you're wondering, hajaeka maji au sijui nini. I blended the pumpkin with some water. Sawa. Yeah. So ibesheni ilifika mahali inaniumiza, so I had to change. You add oil at this point. I don't know what point, that point. Now you continue kneading. So the reason why I added oil at this point is because napendanga like imix vizuri. So you'll see me adding flour even after adding oil. So let's see.
Kwanza time ya mkate.
Ile yellow. The final result, the dough should be less sticky when you knead. So I'll cover this and let it sit for around 30 minutes, and then we'll come and do the rest. Namsieke kwa fridge. Mwache tu like ikue tu this open. Ta-da! in 30 minutes. So it's time to do the other thing, the other process. Hope you can see the dough is very smooth. So you will apply some flour. Yeah. Now I'll cut some like small portions, like around this size. So yeah. That's how I measure the size. That way. It's not keeping. Yeah. So when you're used to this, when you're used to cooking chapati, ukishika tu hivi utajua, like you'll feel whether the dough is too big or too small. Hata nyinyi mtajulia tu hapo. Nilijulia tu hapo. So guys, the next step, what you do, you'll apply some flour and then roll. Then after rolling, now the size, like not the size, the shape doesn't matter at this point. So you apply some oil, not too much though. And then you ensure like every part of the chapati or the dough is well oiled. Alafu utakata kidogo tu hivyo. Now you start rolling. Like that. Alafu ukifika hii point unaingiza hivyo. There are so many ways you can do this, so the choice is yours. So like that. And then you apply again some unga. Isikauke hapo juu. So you apply generously like that. Yeah. Now you continue the process.
Uko freshi barida.
Kwaje? Uko freshi barida.
Hii leo niko na mwalimu so okay. Leo najua. Today is the day.
This is the day.
Yeah. At this point, shapes sio muhimu. As the teacher would say.
Yeah. Uko na swag. So uko na swag.
Nimelearn from the teacher. Then anyway, roll up. Roll up. Yeah, we roll up.
Check.
Walikuwa nasema after hii process hata hiyo ingine ni kuroll na kunini, ni kuspread na kuchoma.
Hii after hapa. Chonjo unaenda kumalizia. Now the last one. Woo! Unga zenyu zinawatoleanga hizi chapati ngapi? 45. Mnatoleanga ngapi? Mimi sijui hizi zangu ni ngapi. But
ni sell yote.
Ili yote inawatolea mingi. Now the final one. Yeah. Yay. Done. I'll see the final. Put flour vizuri generously. Sasa hapa shape ni muhimu. Juu chapati zako zinakaa sijui kuna watu kula shape, so concentrate on the shape at this point.
Na chapo ya malenge, like it's easy to roll.
Yeah, like it's easy to work with compared to other like the plain meaning
Unga.
Unaweza hustle. But hii fun hata kutengeneza. This day kula chapati malenge.
Serious?
Imagine. So guys, I guess you can see the shape. Ujione shape.
The shape is shaping.
Shape is there. Coming through. Yeah. So the next step ni kuwekelea kwa pan. Yeah. So you make sure the pan is hot. Hot like a heater. Like a bomb. Ukiweka moto wako ikuwe kidogo ujue utaumia. Like chapati itakuwa ngumu. It will be hard kama kitu ingine yenye sijui ni gani. So immediately kishaanza kububble up, like these two small bubbles, you can flip it like that. So it's time to apply oil. Just apply like that. Then you flip. And then now you do like this. Usiweke ugali sana hapa. Dogo tu. Be easy. And you have to keep on checking kama it's brown into your desired what color. Let me say that. It's hot. Ooh. The color, hey. So like everything hapo like inaenda real quick, so you have to match this edge. Nice. then flip. Wow. Chapati ikifura hivyo juu unaendelea vizuri kama mpishi. Regular checks. Doing good. Wow. Ikifura hivyo naendelea vizuri kama mpishi. So this one is ready. Now you can transfer to our yeah. This one too is ready. So zote unaweka wapi? Hapo. Now the process continues. The moment of truth is here. Hey. Why? Sura kama ya nani? So I'll do this. Like this. Yeah. To preserve the moisture. Sikuwe ngumu. Like that. Yes. And then yeah. Slaps harder than chapati and kamande. What? Nothing.
So let's dig in.
So let's get our reviews. Chakula ni kumenyua na mkono. Tuambie.
Let's dig in. Hey.
Chapati.
Kuraruka.
Makaratasi. Vitu legit.
Legitimate. Legit kabisa.
Yaweza?
Legitimate.
Yeah.
Chapati makaratasi. Legit stuff.
Naweza? Slaps harder than who? Will Smith.